Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, Kevin Cyr's insane Camper Tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. A pedal-powered camper that's turning heads and redefining what it means to travel off the beaten path. So, let's jump in and explore this genius creation. So, what exactly is the Camper Tricycle? Well, it's a project by Kevin Cyr, an artist and designer known for his creative takes on mobility and personal spaces. This tricycle is part functional transportation, part artwork, and entirely mind-blowing. It's essentially a custom-built tricycle outfitted with a mini camper. Think of it as a tiny home, but on 3 wheels. Let's break it down. The Camper Tricycle combines the functionality of cargo trike with the comfort of a small camper. The frame is sturdy and designed to handle the weight of both the camper and its occupant. It has 3 wheels for stability, which is super important when you're hauling around your home on the go. Inside, the camper is surprisingly well thought out. Sure, it's tiny, but it includes the basics you'd need for a short adventure, like a small sleeping area, shelves for storage, and even windows to let in natural light. It's cozy and minimalist, a perfect blend of form and function. Now, this tricycle isn't just about looks, it's also a commentary on sustainability and mobility. Kevin Cyr designed it as a response to modern society's obsession with large vehicles and sprawling homes. The Camper Tricycle encourages a slower, more thoughtful approach to travel. It's pedal-powered, meaning it's eco-friendly and doesn't rely on fuel. Plus, it challenges us to rethink the way we interact with our environment. Another thing that stands out is the craftsmanship. Cyr hand-built this camper with incredible attention to detail. The exterior features weather-resistant materials and a design that feels both utilitarian and artistic. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement piece. Of course, the Camper Tricycle isn't without its limitations. It's not designed for long-distance travel or rough terrain, and the speed is limited by your pedaling power. But that's not the point. This is about embracing a slower pace of life and enjoying the journey as much as the destination. People love seeing this thing in action. It's quirky, it's innovative, and it sparks curiosity wherever it goes. Kevin Cyr has truly created something that merges art and utility in a way that gets people talking. So, what do you think of Kevin Cyr's insane Camper Tricycle? Is this the future of sustainable travel, or just a fun piece of art? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unique creations and inspiring ideas. Until next time, happy exploring!